So, I was about to start recording this video, but I really need to shake myself up first, so I'll be right back.
How I'ma make you mine. I feel your body getting closer. I know your juice is running over. Yes, it has been a very long time, but my heart is telling me that you're mine. I like the way you're kissing me. I like the way you're touching me. I like the way you send good vibes through my body. You like the way I take control. You like the way I won't let go. Babe, all I wanna hear is...
Okay, that's better.
So I'll be using this Lotta Body custard today, as long with the Lotta Body leave-in conditioner, water, and peppermint oil. You know the rubber bands is a necessity for me. Also my beautiful, beautiful big ass comb. So I'll just go ahead and detangle my hair really quick with the comb. My hair is actually a little damp at the moment. And then I go ahead and hand part my hair into 4 big sections. These ones are going to be like medium-sized twists. As usual, I'm going to go ahead and do my Chun-Li buns on every side. Once again, I hand part that section. I'm showing you my part because it's not a perfect part. As I said before, I don't always like my twist outs to be perfectly sectioned off. I want it to be able to flow and look a lot more natural and relaxed when I finally untwist them. Just gonna give it a quick little 360 view, let you know those parts are not straight at all. Also, if you may have noticed, my tips are now gray. This is a color I've been dying to get back to, but it takes a lot of time, a lot of patience, and a lot of effort. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and hand part one quick little section so I can get that ready to get twisted. Start by getting my hair a little more damp than what it is, because I like my twist to be as wet as possible. And I used a lot less product than I usually would on these ones. And that other video was from a year ago. I've completely changed the way I do stuff. And now I'm just going to show you how I part it once again and start to slowly twist. And I do the first couple pulls kind of tight because I want them to see how it's pulling my hair. I'm trying to stimulate that growth. Yes, you can stimulate growth even by having in 2-strand twists. And I do my whole coiling technique where after I twist it, I coil it all the way back up to the root sometimes and use my other fingers to guide it back down. I want you to see how I do the back. I do the back the same way as I do the rest of my head, except, you know, when you're doing the back of your head, those angles sometimes it's kind of hard to get. And see this coil, 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 coil. I do that because it helps my twist look a little more defined. And now that I'm done completely twisting my hair, I go ahead and spray it with water and add my peppermint oil. I take and put a few drops in my roots and random spots, and then take the rest and run from root to tip.
Okay, so this is after one night of sleeping on them.
I slept in a bonnet, but it slipped off, so yeah. Thanks for watching.
Bring you home in the middle of the night, and I don't wanna waste no time. Dancing with you in the club all night, thinking how I'ma make